Hello dudes and dudettes, welcome to another instalment on the Drift Outlaws channel. Today we're at D-pad obviously, nice sunshine, truck's out, used it this morning. The missus, she's going to be painting this bit, look. So she's going to be painting the edge yellow, so it's like a warning for your lineup, for us and for all the other formulas that come here. So yeah, she's going to do a sterling job painting that. Kids are in the back of the truck. I'm here. There's the tyre wall. I'm going to finish bolting them last ones up that I didn't finish last week. Yeah, and the missus is going to paint these ends up, down this end, and down the other end. Anyway, we'll show you in a bit. Say bye.
Bye.
Babe, say bye. She's camera shy, bless her. Anyway, in a bit. Right, so the morning's done, Saturday, and we've absolutely nailed it. Well, the missus has, she's just running off because she's camera shy again. Look at her, look. Running away. Bless her, she's done a really good job. You're not, are you? You're on a go-kart. But look what she did.
And we done that side.
Look at that. So you've got like warning markers now on each corner. If you can, I don't know if you can see down there. But yeah, all four corners of where we've wrapped it, it was all a bit scruffy. So John's chucked us some paint and the missus has done that. Look at that, that looks wicked. I know it's a little bit scruffy around the edges on the tyres and that, but honestly, that's getting wrapped by rubber. These are rubber matting. Yeah, rubber matting, but this looks wicked, man. At night and stuff, this is going to look so rad, but it's like a warning for you guys, like, so it's just a warning that, you know, tyre wall's there. It's like a lining up point. But I don't really want anyone to run into these tyre walls. They're there for safety more than anything. But yeah, that yellow, look, it just looks wicked. I'm just going to pause this and then go back over there and I'll show you the other corner. Right, so we're back at this bit now. And yeah, this bit, look, this is bright yellow as well. All round the corner. And yeah, it's just edged off. Just finishes it, just makes it look that little bit nicer. So yeah. Happy with that. Done a good job there, babe.
Thank you.
Done a very good job. Look at our hot wire in the truck. Babe, you've got to turn the switch on underneath because of the diesel pump.
Oh yeah.
But anyway, look at that. Rad. The other side's done. You can sort of see that. We might have a little drive over there actually and give you a show. 2 seconds. So we're back at, well, the corners. This is the tyre wall that I finished off. This is all concreted, it needs sweeping, we know that. But yeah, look, this is the other yellow bit that she's just painted. Two coats this has taken. It's taken her about 2 hours. Get it all done nicely. It's all painted. So again, yeah, this is just a warning. Do not hit this because that will finish your car. Try not to hit that because it's going to dent it. It's there just for safety, you know, a bit like a seatbelt. And then over here, so all four corners are yellow now. So you know roughly what to look out for, like a focal point. Because I know some of you cars have got smashed down low cars and stuff. But there, how rad is that? And I finished bolting the tyres on today. They're done. Brought the last washers. I needed 24, can you believe it? So there's only 12 to bolt together, or 6 fixings. Job done. That looks way better, doesn't it? Look at that. Radical. Ah, and here comes Elsie. Elsie the truck. Right, I'm going to jump in it and we're going to have... What are we going to have?
Lunch time.
What?
Lunch.
We have what?
Lunch. Oh, lots of plate,
We're going for lunch. In a bit. Whee! So we're at the Screamer Beemer, stripping it all down, pulling all the last of the lines out, putting the new lines in. Had a real good turn by this company here, Pro Line, braided brake lines. They're based near Sutton, Morden. Gave them pretty much 48 hours heads up and they sorted them out, they made them. They made them real quick, super quick, so big shout to them, Pro Line. Give them a check out on Facebook, on Instagram, or wherever it is. If you need anything, give them a shout. They're real quick turnover. especially with what's going on in the world at the moment. Couldn't appreciate it anymore. Proper rad. Oh, and I bought a hydro handbrake, second hand, off of Jack Finn-Kelsey. So a big shout to him as well. He did what he said, and I bought it off him, and he sent it real quick, so I got it before the weekend. Super happy. So we're going to get the brake lines in, Screamer Beemer, get it done and get it sorted. So it's nice and hot. I've done plenty of painting today. Mrs. has done a sterling job. Now onto the Beamer. I might teach her some mechanics. Anyway, in a bit. Hello and welcome back. We're on day 2 of being at D-Pad. We did the painting yesterday, saw that, and yeah, we've done general painting. The missus couldn't put the yellow paint down. She's painted loads of stuff. I'll show you that later. But yeah, we're back on the Screamer Beemer. I've tore down, yeah, more stuff out of the car, more weight saving. Had an ant's nest, spider's nest. That's about the only nests that I've had. But yeah, we've got the brake lines in. I've got to clip them up. Real nice, tidy setup and kit. Works perfectly, all the right length. Well happy. So yeah, the front end's in. I'm just tightening all the clips up and stuff, and P-clipping all the cables up. But yeah, really impressed with the kit because it just went straight in, no messing about. Yeah, it come with everything. So super happy. And Screamer with its stickers on. I'm going to chuck a Proline one on it because we've got a Proline sticker as well. They did us a good turn. I mean, I didn't get anything for discount or get it any cheaper, but I'm just so impressed by the way that they did their service. It was super quick. It was what I wanted. As I can see, I've got the front in, so I'm just going to keep on pressing on. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning, so I'm just going to crack on. As you can hear, the lads are shooting next door. Bit of clay pigeon shooting, not people or animals, so don't need any processors turning up. Sick. So anyway, I'm going to crack on in a bit. And welcome back. Screamer Beemer has all the front brake lines in. I've done them all good, done them all safe. P-clips it up. Happy. So yeah, it's done. The front's done. I've got to strip out the interior and do the backs and the rears and put the hydro in, but it is what it is. It's done. We're going to head off. It is super hot. The kids are hot. They're arguing, shouting and screaming. Anyone who's a parent, you will know that. They will just get on each other's nerves. Boys, girls, don't matter who they are, whether it's 2 boys, 2 girls, or a boy and a girl. Yeah, that's how it is. But we pulled a blinder this weekend. We've done some cool stuff, and I'm just checking that everything's all closed up and everything's happy. But yeah, Screamer Beemer. It's got all its brake lines in the front. Happy. Oh, and I've done a load of work and a bit of weight saving. So we're done. In a bit. So I'm just walking back, and yeah, my missus had some yellow paint yesterday, so she's yellow painted everything that needed to be refreshed. Disabled ramp. See, we have a disabled area for people in wheelchairs and people hard for them to walk. All the steps have been painted all around here. Guardrails done, and yeah, she just went mad with yellow paint. She also did the handrail bit there, and done the steps as well. She's pulled a blinder on that one. Some little Armico there. I think she did something over here as well. Let me see. Yeah, she did. More yellowness. So she couldn't put the yellow paint down yesterday. She's done a good job. Blinder. Anyway, we just had a visit from Johan. He's had a chat with us. He's thinking about using the venue for what he wants to do, and he's a really nice guy, a really passionate guy. First time I've ever met him. He is a real nice fella. And yeah, looking forward to potentially working with him in the future. He's had a recce around the place, quite liked it, so it's all good. We're going to sign off now. We're going to get some lunchtime, and then head off. Back to work Monday. Be safe, be cool, and avoid politics. Later.